Local residents, shopkeepers, street vendors, and volunteers of the World United Youth Club Wangkhai Angom Leikai to block Imphal Yairipok road for some time, expressing deep anger and anguish against the non-completion of the road construction from Konung Mamaang to Andro parking. Apart from affecting all these sections of people, those passing through this stretch of road have felt the harmful effect of dust, including in the respiratory tract. General Secretary of the World United Youth Club R.K. Gokul, speaking to the Impact News, said local people can no longer tolerate in such a situation.
ISBS Construction Materials Private Limited Haidiba Aduna Subane, Aquin Hajaningidi, Manipurgi Works Minister K. Suratan Singh, Amasung, Chief Engineer Public Works Department, Haidibasi Yam Tuna Tumatangi Manunga, Prazagi Interesta, Amadi, Miamgi Interesta, Miamgi. I couldn't tell Jariba Sugum Sigi reply Yam to the Pibirkani, Tang of the Tang Taratro Pabagi Manung the Kolas Tadaba Targari, while United Sus Club, Amadi, Prazamiam the Pasha Kairga, JCB Anihum Wire Haidiva, Imphal Yairipok Road, Tangal Stisudagina, Akwagi, Andro parking power the lady Balambina, Kogairaga, Taphairaga, Hairis, totally Bantoguni.
A commuter who was also present at the roadblock said, many people traveling along this road have been facing untold miseries due to the deplorable condition of the road. He further said, general public should not be taken for granted by concerned minister and contractor.
Amuk cholhali, amukang hali, agumama tawdi ure. Sigumba tabakase, Hadok Piraga, Lak Liba, Tang Taragataruk, Yaksang Hobunu, Sibumanung, the Sembiragadi Club. Natok birak liba amadinakan nak yata pamba dukan sing kaitel pambi mai beben singna to birei ba thabak asida aikoi chu public amoina support tawgane haibasi wahai si thamjage.
With camera person Yairipok, this is Sarjan Namnam reporting for Impact News, Konung Mamaang.